What's up, guys? It's me. I'm in Puma's room. Look at it. Y'all haven't seen it, I think, ever on my channel. Maybe if you watch my vlogs. Ever. Oh, well, maybe like a vlog for like 2 seconds.
No, I mean like a thorough look.
Oh no, never.
Never.
So we're gonna do Puma's room. I'm gonna give you a little overview. Puma's gonna be in the video too. She's standing right there. She's laughing. Kind of embarrassed, but it's okay. Nobody watches my videos that like know you, like Myra. I'll tell her too. Just kidding. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna show you guys her room. Okay, this isn't normally here. Just alright, so there's Pumba. Say hello. So this is her room. Peach sleeps in here, so that's like the dog area. Okay, so then we have her closet. Isn't this so cute? Look at, she's getting my phone like tomorrow, I think. And those are all my phone cases. Well, that one's actually hers. She has all of her cute little earrings. Oh. Anyways, so here's her room. We did the floor too, like a long time ago. She has a duvet. She has like stuff that needs to go in her room. Then we have her entire desk, some apple juice, and then her shelf. But we're getting rid of the shelf and we're gonna put most of this up there because there's nothing up there for like years now. And yeah, and we're gonna move the bed, obviously, because
You can see the bear back there, the huge one. That's Benny.
That's Benny.
That's Benny.
Yes, with the JoJo Siwa.
Oh my god, and then this. Her name is Patricia. The baby's
Is that their clothes?
This is from a Japanese
store?
animal
Anime?
baby cartoon.
Oh, that's so cute.
I know,
though.
right?
Yeah, she has all kinds of things, but we have. Where is it? Where is it? Pumba.
You what?
Where's the like thingy to hold the stuffed animals?
I kind of forgot.
We'll find it. Well, we're gonna take this out and we're gonna put the stuffed animal thing that I have in my room right here. Also, don't talk about that. I just want to point it out before anybody else does. Me and Puma painted her room and we decided to go around her LED lights.
You decided that.
We decided to go around her LED lights, and so they're still mint green in here, but it's fine. We won't talk about it.
Out by that top.
Yeah, we were just like done.
Oh my god, I'm like a hoarder. Oh, this is a little piece of the thing. What are little panda treats with chocolate?
Who's going to?
I have a scrunchie with ghosts.
I think we could get it done in like an hour and a half. Let's time it.
That's a lot of time. I really like stripping my bed.
Yes, it's disgusting.
It is. Look, I have Christmas cat sheets.
She has Christmas. Oh,
and then these ones, I took the pillowcases off of them, like probably like a week ago, and I was like, oh, I'll wash them soon. I never did. They're still in
there.
the pile.
Yeah.
So.
I'm gonna strip her bed, and she's gonna get her duvet out, and then
I like my bed like that.
I'm gonna go get my black pillow. My black. What the fuck are they called? What are they called? Black sheets.
I'm like some gross old man right now. I saw
What is
that.
this? Is this your anime?
No.
Wait, what?
My anime is right there. What is this? Oh! She has a foot! Celine gave that to me as a gift a couple years ago. Years? It's a wrapper with a little... I think that's a cheese one?
Yeah.
It's a cheese.
The Cheetos.
Cheetos.
Cheeto crumb. friend doesn't because they had enough.
Bounce.
Oh. They can't see it, but
Shock.
oh my god.
Ew.
That was Bowser.
4.
On the bottom. 1, 2, 3.
Oh. That sounds like the Titanic hit, okay?
It does. You're nice.
Because I was like, oh my god, we're gonna do an anime wall.
Oh yeah, never did.
That, look at this is how I feel about it.
I stood like that the other day. No, yesterday.
Yeah.
And Pumba made fun of me and now it's stuck.
She starts.
What are you doing? Look at me. She always does this like in my room. She'll be like, what's going on here, guys? Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna move her desk to the middle of the room so that we can empty her shelf in peace. Here. Who's there? Put that over there. Alright. This is her duvet. It's fluffy.
Yeah.
It's so cute. I'm so excited.
Girl, she's like, I think this is where I'll give birth. I'm like, what?
It's actually right here.
Strawberry shortcake. That girl still smells like strawberries. She going strong.
I love it.
Yeah.
Childhood. It smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shelf out and I'll probably put ring footage of us trying to get it out. So I'm just gonna drag it out of here. Okay, so we took it out. I don't know how much the ring caught because I think it only records for like
See without makeup.
it only catches like 30 seconds, but that thing is broken. I'll put a picture right here. I'll take a picture. We laughed so hard. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna show you Pumba's hairy shoes really quick because they're so funny. They're black Converse, guys. Look at this. They're literally, oh my god, because of Peach.
That is what I breathe in after 20 minutes of standing here.
Yes. So we're gonna clean up that floor right there and then poof, poof, poof. I couldn't stop.
You're like, mommy? Sorry.
Mommy, sorry. Let me try that again. We're gonna move the desk. I was like poof, poof. I said it so intensely. Okay. Anyways, you know what? Let's just get on with it. On what?
Oh, it just says music.
So that's her bed right now just because we took everything down. We're gonna put a lot of that on her shelf that's up there I showed you guys. Okay, so there is the shelf. We put all the stuff Puma wanted up there. Super cute. Let me zoom in a little bit more. There you go.
Rebecca, you sounded like the whitest girl on the block.
Okay. So Puma got this for her birthday, like a bunch of pictures of different animes, and we want to put them on that wall right there. So she's gonna pick through these really quick and see which one she wants to put up, and then we'll put them up. We never found the little hooks. We never found the little hooks to the animal thing, so I think we're gonna have to buy another one.
Oh, you're taking it off?
I can. No. So I put that up. I didn't film it because I literally, it was like a full-on cardio workout. Okay, oh well. Alright, it's kind of low, but it's cute. We didn't put Benny in there. There's Benny.
Benny's too big.
He was way too big. He literally took up the whole thing.
That's like a hammock for Benny.
Yes. So we put all her little ones, and it looks so cute.
Look at their legs, ready?
Oh yeah, here, let me zoom in.
And then we have these little strawberry cookies. And then we have
Mr. Russian.
legs. And then they don't have a name. They're just here.
Okay.
I've had them since like 2013. Like,
yeah.
This.
What
This is like mainly empty.
Oh yes.
I want to add more animes that I know because the one that came in that pack, they were like fighting like drama animes, like, you know, action ones.
Yeah.
So I watched like so many different other animes, so I wanted to add those there as well, not just like hey.
You should look on Amazon.
I should.
Tonight. Oh, okay. So, her blanket is not fully dry, but I'm gonna put it in the duvet anyways because it's literally like one spot. I'm gonna put it in the duvet. I'm gonna cry while I do it, and she's gonna put the pillowcases on her pillows. We're finally done. I think it took about 4.5 hours, but completely worth it. I've been meaning to do this for Puma for so long, but we finally did it, and it looks so good. Do you like it? Do you love it? She said she loves it, and she's smiling, so I did my work. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you a quick, I'm just gonna give you an overview. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot of people always ask to see Puma's room, And now you guys finally saw like an in-depth of her room, and she loves it. I'm glad you like it. Where are you? There she is. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I think the next video is gonna be me moving my room.
Again.
Yes. I just did it 2 weeks ago. But I want more room in my room. Even though that's my favorite way of putting it, I want more room. So we're gonna do that. And Puma's gonna go to sleep soon. Because she's tired. And I'm tired too. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Say bye, Pums.
Bye bye. Can they see me?
Yeah, they can. A little bit. Bye.